Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a pretty cool video. In this video, I wanted to show you guys how me and Sammy swapped out all of his hardware from his original NZXT case to this brand new Thermaltake P3 case. This is probably one of my favorite cases that Thermaltake has made other than mine. This is actually one of the cases that I originally wanted. However, with kids, I can't really have an open case because the kids decide to put stuff in the computer all the time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you like any videos on the channel, feel free to subscribe. And if you like computers, technology, or anything like that, feel free to hit that like button. All right, let's get into it.
What's up guys, my name is Samson and we are going to change the case. I just recently bought a Thermaltake. See that? It's an open case and we're gonna swap over all of the motherboard and all the goodies into the case.
Should be right. Now we'll just throw this on here too. You got a screwdriver?
I want that cooler fan.
How do you feel, man?
It's awesome.
That's good.
I'm happy.
Good job.
Thank you for Dustin Vang. Appreciate it. Shout out to Dustin Vang. Shout out to Thermaltake for the awesome case.
Feel free to hook it up. Thermaltake.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, dude, looks good, man. It's glass, though. Look at that. My hand's all busted. All right, boys, that's a wrap. Sammy, how you feeling, bro? Fresh. You fresh? Okay. Yeah. Best case in the group, man. Looks good, man.
I'm happy.
It's really good.
Very happy.
What plans you got in the future with this?
Probably switch out the fans, the CPU cooler to a radiator cooler. Yep. And then the graphics card. So.
Nice, man. Good job. How long did it take? Well, we started at like 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
9 o'clock, 9:30 now. It took us about 2.5 hours to get it done. This is probably one of the toughest cases I've ever worked on. So kudos to you for picking that for me.
Nice.
Because I didn't know how to do it. This is totally different. This is this case is entirely different. There's no outside. You have to put everything in the backside, as you can see from the video. Check it out. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below.
Do you want to see the cable management?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
Nice.
And there's the hard drive. Tucked in the back.
We gotta get you some SSDs.
Yes, I think so too.
Hey, look good. All right, man. Good job, buddy. Looks
Appreciate
good.
it.
We're gonna play some PUBG later. These are the PUBG gaming computers that we're working on. We're customizing them, but also trying to upgrade them at the same time. Lego. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Sammy doesn't have a channel yet, but when he does, make sure you like and subscribe it. Alright, we're out. Peace. Well guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. It was actually pretty fun to put this case together. It took us about 2.5 to 3 hours to put this thing together. There was a lot of parts involved in it, but I think the overall finished product of it looked amazing. This case is really just like an art piece whenever you set it up and put it on the table as well as put it on the wall, because it actually does have a wall mounting bracket built in. The thickness of the case is amazing. It feels really sturdy in your hands, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. It's super high quality build, and I would definitely recommend this case to anybody else. I was looking to get an open air case or anything that can handle some liquid cooling systems. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.